Ohm's law. Today we are going to talk about Ohm's law. This is important because Ohm's law helps us understand how electricity works in every circuit. Ohm's law is one of the most basic and useful laws in electronics and physics. Electricity moves through a circuit like water moves through a pipe. Voltage is the force that pushes electricity through a circuit. We measure voltage in volts. Current is the flow of electricity through a circuit. We measure current in amperes or amps. Resistance is anything that slows down or blocks the flow of electricity. We measure resistance in ohms. A conductor lets electricity pass through easily. An insulator blocks the flow of electricity. Ohm's law explains the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. The formula is voltage equals current times resistance. We write this formula as V equals I times R. If the resistance goes up, the current goes down. If the voltage goes up, the current also goes up. Engineers use Ohm's law to design safe electrical circuits. Ohm's law helps us choose the correct resistor for a circuit. Without Ohm's law, we could not build safe computers, phones, or machines. Now you understand the basic idea of Ohm's law: voltage, current, and resistance. In our next class, we will practice using the formula with real numbers.